So have you heard that AI is everywhere and you should be learning how to use AI? Well, look no further. I will in this video tell you exactly how people are using AI, which companies are using AI, and in what way, what people are benefiting from, and what can be the efficiency increase with using AI versus not using AI, which spheres of the world they use AI and where they don't. To be honest, there are a lot of industries that use AI right now. But one of the most beneficial uses of AI for the enterprise solutions is computer calculation and computing power for cloud storage. Also chatbots, voice assistants, voice memos, transcription, and just in general prediction models, which are widely used in most of the industries right now that are enterprise solutions. So for example, General Electric and Rolls-Royce both use predictive analytics of AI in order to make sure that the maintenance of the aircraft is done correctly and in due time, and maybe predict something faulty going on just inside of the airplanes. Maintenance can do pre-accident maintenance and checkup in order to prevent any accidents happening. Retail giant Nordstrom also uses AI to help it predict users' behavior, what they buy, and in order to increase their stocks and to buy things to stock up what users are actually needing and buying. In terms of usage in general public, AI is being used by around 28% of Americans, and around 28% of them know in details what AI is and how it works. Also around 35% think that they interact with AI around weekly. Out of all those Americans, around 30% use chatbots generally and extensively during their work week and during their leisure time. By Forbes' estimation, the AI market is going to be around $400 billion by 2027 and is set to be growing around 13.8% annually in terms of the growth of the revenue from 2023 to 2027, which is incredible compared to any other industry, which is so big right now. On top of that, even though AI has a potential to break down the amount of jobs that are available to the world, it's also said that they will have around 12 million jobs created by 2025, which, if you think about it, is incredible. Considering the population of America and considering the amount of workforce is available, just creating these jobs will mean that there will be so many people who will be actually needed to operate the AI machines instead of people losing job and being out of the work. Yes, the job is actually harder and some would say it would require more qualification, but that's just the way it has been since the industrial age, when people lost their job and had to move on to something better or something more hard for them to qualify and to improve the workforce. As you know, the world is growing through increase of efficiency of GDP. That's the only way America has been growing for the past 50 years, where every couple of years, around like 5 or 8, America has been getting efficiency bump. For example, first it was the computer, then it was the internet, and now some people would say it's smartphones and AI, which is really high increase of efficiency and increase in the workforce efficiency in general, which is great if you think about the economy of the world and how people are growing. Considering that Americans and America in general is not producing much lately and is trying very hard to fix that, increase in the efficiency of the workforce of especially the white-collar jobs is incredible for the economy in general, and hopefully will help normal people to increase their salary and be more efficient and just do more stuff that is fun instead of doing boring menial tasks that are repetitive. And AI is solving already all of that. In terms of marketing, AI has been already popularized in many different ways, starting from chatbots to content planner to media writer and into copywriter in general. Around 54% of workforce in media and marketing is said to be using in 2024 the chatbots that are incredibly powerful and already customized on the data of the company. In conclusion, AI is being widely used all over the world. It doesn't matter what you're doing or how you're doing, make sure to learn what AI is. As I promised, here are 2 tips in order for you to be better and more efficient with your workforce. First of all, use Perplexity. It's an increased tool that basically enables you to improve your life. Instead of relying on Google, you can use Perplexity to find exactly what you're looking for and how you're looking for it. For example, instead of writing what are the 5 top spots to eat in Brooklyn today, you can write, okay, find the 5 best reviewed spots and like restaurants in Brooklyn and give me the list of them in the category of Italian food, for example. And Perplexity will do that. So it's not only a chatbot, it's also a base storage that it basically browses the internet, finds the best things, and then populates the answer for you. The second part is to use Midjourney for your images. So for example, if you need to show something or explain something, sometimes you don't even know what it looks like. And looking for stock photos is just boring and repetitive and usually not that good. Using Midjourney or GPT-4v or Stable Diffusion if you're a high-end tech user is really a great deal of time saving that you can get to yourself, because you will be able to show and accelerate your point to the meat of it. You'll be able to accelerate your point to the actual thing that you want to say, and it improves your life generally when you're trying to present or share something. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you understand how AI is improving the world and changing it as well. And make sure to not stay behind and lag behind. I mean, most people probably won't care and won't use AI, but if you will, and if you will care, you will be on top of the game and will be forward to hundreds of light years above everyone else and efficiency and everything else. I use ChatGPT and AI daily, and I suggest you do too, because sometimes it's just easier and better for you. So yeah, subscribe, like, write and comment what you want to hear, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.